The New Mexico State Aggies and Arizona Wildcats will meet up in a non-conference college basketball matchup. This is Across the Board with Jeff Grant here at SBRforum.com. Wednesday night's opening tip scheduled for 9 o'clock Eastern Time on the Pac-12 network from the McKale Center in Tucson, Arizona. The Wildcats listed anywhere between 14 and 14.5 point favorites, while no betting total has been established at SBRodds.com. New Mexico State continues a 4-game, 10-day road trip looking to bounce back from an 80-68 setback to the Gonzaga Bulldogs last Saturday. The Aggies getting out-rebounded by 7.7 rebounds per game over their current 3-game losing streak, which is far different than its 8.6 margin in that particular category during a 7-game winning streak earlier in the season. 3-21 straight up versus ranked opponents in school history, and 5-14 straight up, 8-10-1 against the spread as an underdog the last 2+ seasons. Arizona comes in as the #1 ranked team in the country for the first time since 2003, 62-11 straight up at home under head coach Sean Miller, including a 33-4 mark versus non-conference opponents, have held every opponent under 66 points, ranks 9th in field goal percentage defense and scoring defense in major college basketball, and limiting foes to 40.6% shooting inside the arc, an area that New Mexico State normally exposes when facing opposing teams. When looking at it from a sports betting trend perspective, it's very hard to ignore in this game that New Mexico State is 0-5 against the spread in its last 5 tries against Pac-12 opponents. What New Mexico State does well, Arizona does better. So I'm going to back Arizona as a 14-point home favorite against New Mexico on Wednesday. This has been another edition of Across the Board here at SBRforum.com, and you can follow me on Twitter at Jeff Grant Sports.